Welcome to Snapshots Market Trends. Today we are looking into the state of the oil and gas industry, offshore market trends and the impacts for offshore operations. First off, let's look at the oil industry. The pressure and turbulence on the oil price has shown over the last year that low oil prices are here to stay. The impact of emerging economies like China, Brazil, Russia and most recently Iran suggest that oil prices remain low and the inventories will continue to swell. The global supply of crude oil has been lifted by the competition between OPEC and non-OPEC nations. Overproduction has begun to strain storage capacities. It's difficult to predict the floor of oil prices, but could drop as low as $25 a barrel. The current oil market situation has pushed the offshore marine supply chain to a breaking point. Rig managers, offshore service vessel contractors and subsea vessel owners are operating at 60 to 70% discounts compared to prices in 2013. As oil supply and demand trends are only expected to harm the offshore market by decreasing profits, offshore marine players must optimise their bottom line strategies and break away from prevalent operating models. Oil companies have reacted to weaker price expectations by stopping exploration and production budgets and reducing labour costs. Some offshore areas and fleet segments have fared better than others, but 2015 was a bleak year overall. In light of the recent 2013-2014 market peak, 2015 was especially challenging. The coming year is likely to be difficult as well. Many energy companies are poised to make further exploration and production budget cuts. What is the impact of the increasing market competition and growing financial pressure for offshore companies? Optimising maintenance interventions to match both operational and business needs is vital. Different engines, propulsion and automation systems require service at different intervals. Many interruptions over a short period of time leads to lost production and high maintenance costs. By minimising both planned and unplanned breaks, you can optimise maintenance to achieve higher reliability and scheduled uptime. This requires access to spare parts, real-time support and onboard advisory services whenever and wherever needed. Any emerging issues must be identified and handled as soon as possible. An optimised maintenance schedule is based on real data and the true condition of equipment. Dynamic maintenance planning to maximise assets should include continuous monitoring, smart planning of maintenance and systematic management of risks. Thank you for watching Market Trends.